Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to solve this problem that 3 minus 2 divided by 3 minus 2. Option number A is equal to 1, option number B is equal to 0, option number C is equal to 1 upon 3. So first of all, most of people do that they subtract first. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 divided by 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 is equal to 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. But this is the wrong method. The correct method is that we write 3 minus 2 divided by 3, we write this is this and minus 2. Now here is subtraction in fraction, so we use the LCM of the denominators. So first of all, here we write LCM of 1, 3 and 1 is equal to 3. So now here we here 1 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9 minus here 2 and minus here 6. So now 6 minus 2 minus this is equals to 9 minus 8 upon 3. So now 9 minus 8 is equal to 1 upon 3. So 1 upon 3 is correct answer. So we see that option number C is the correct. This is our answer.